Hello YouTube, it's your girl Siditys and I'm back with another video. So today I will be putting on labels on my glitters and sprinkles today. So I just recently added them to my website, I believe on Friday. So if you're interested in getting some, might as well head on over to the website, you feel me, and get you some. I will be adding the link in the description box. So I have 3 types of labels, as you can see here. For the 5-gram glitters, I'm going to put, well, the round ones, I'm going to be putting the round labels, obviously. And then I have these two rectangular labels. One is wider than the other, and the wider ones I use them for the sprinkles, and the thinner ones I use for the chunky glitter and star glitter on brain fart. But I use 3 different type of labels, guys. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you know the next time that I post. And yeah, bye.